From R.D. Sharma, class 7th, chapter number 6, that is exponent. In that, our topic is law of exponent. So let us see the law of exponent. Now here I had written some of the laws. Now first one, a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a m plus n. Now see, for example, if 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 2, so equal to, if it is in multiplication and the base are same, so you can plus it, 3 plus 2, which is equal to 2 raised to 3, 4, 5. Okay, now here also same way, if it is 2 term or a 3 term, you have to plus only. So if it is 3 raised to 2, 3 raised to 1 or 3 raised to 4, so what we have to do, 1 3, then we have to plus the power. So 2 plus 1 plus 4 equal to 3 raised to 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now for second law, it is a raised to m divided by a raised to n equal to a raised to n minus 1, or a raised to m a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus 1. Now here, if these both are same, it is in written in symbol and it is written in fraction form, so both are in division only. So if you had given that 2 raised to 3 upon 2 raised to 1, so you can write, if the base are same, you can just minus is 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2 raised to 2. Okay, now third one, which is a raised to 0 equal to 1. Now any number raised to 0 which is equal to 1 only. Okay, any number raised to 0 is equal to 1. Now a raised to 1 equal to a, any number raised to 1 which is that number only. So 3 raised to 1 equal to 1. Fifth one, a raised to m whole bracket raised to m equal to a raised to m into n. If this type of expression is there, you can multiply that directly equal to a raised to m n. So for example, if 2 raised to 3 into raised to 2 equal to 2 raised to 3 into 2, which is equal to 3 2 is 6. Okay? You can multiply the power. Now sixth one, a raised to n into b raised to n. Now here the power are same and base are different. So for example, 2 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 2. Now here power are same. Okay, here multiplication, power are same and base are different. So you can multiply it 2 into 3 raised to 2. 1 only power common. So equal to 2, 6, 2 3 is 6 raised to 2. Like this way you can write. Now same way for the 3 term also, same, we can multiply it. Okay, and seventh one, a raised to n b raised to n equal to a upon b raised to n. So what we can do, a, for example, 9 upon 10. Okay, 9 raised to 3 and 10 raised to 3. So we can write 9 upon 10 raised to 3, whole raised to 3. Like this way we can write it down. Now let us do an exercise 6.2 based on these all laws. Exercise 6.2, question number 1, using law of exponent, simplify and write the answer in exponent form. Now here we have to use whichever the laws we had done, that law we have to use and simplify it and write in exponential form only. Okay, exponential form. So let us do it. First one, 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 4 into 2 raised to 5. So how we can write here? Equal to 2 raised to 3 plus 4 plus 5. Which law we are using? A raised to m into a raised to n into a raised to p equal to a raised to m plus n plus p. Okay, this whichever law we are using, we have to write a side. So 2 raised to, what the answer is, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 5, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So 2 raised to 12 is the answer. Simple. Now we'll do the second one. 5 raised to 12 divided by 5 raised to 3. So we can write 5 raised to 12 minus 3 because it is in division. A raised to m divided by a raised to n equal to a m minus n. This law we are using. So 5 raised to 12 minus 3 is 9. 9 is the answer. Now x raised to 2 raised to 3. So 7 raised to 2 raised to 3. So 7, 2 into 3. So which is equal to 7, 2 3s are 6. So a raised to m raised to n equal to a raised to m into n. Now 3 raised to 2 raised to 5 divided by 3 raised to 4. Okay. Now here first of all we'll solve this. So 3, 2 into 5 is 10 divided by 3 raised to 4. So which law we are using? A raised to m into n equal to a m into n, which is equal to 3 divided by another 3 power, which is 10 minus 4. So which a m divided by a raised to n equal to a m minus n. So equal to 3 raised to 6 is the answer. Now see here base are different but power are same. So what we can write here? 3 into 2 whole raised to 7. What? 3 a raised to m into b raised to n, which is equal to ab raised to m. Okay. So 3 2s are 6 raised to 7 is the answer. Now sixth one. Question is 5 raised to 21 divided by 5 raised to 13 multiplied by 5 raised to 7. Here also first we'll solve the bracket which is in divide. So 21 minus 13 multiplied by 7 raised to 5 raised to 7. So a raised to m divided by a raised to n equal to a m minus n, which is equal to 21 minus 13 is 8. 5 raised to 8 into 5 raised to 7. Now this we can plus it. 5 raised to 8 plus 7. Why? Because a raised to n into a raised to n is equal to a raised to n plus n. So which is equal to 5 raised to 50. Question 2. Simplify and express each of the following in exponential form. Now this one also we have to do in exponential form and by using law of exponent. So first one it is that 3 raised to 4 into 2 raised to 8 divided by 2 raised to 12. Now first of all we'll solve the bracket, which is 3 into 4 is 12 multiplied by 2 raised to 8 divided by 2 raised to 12. So which law we are using? A raised to m into a raised to m into n equal to a raised to m into n. So equal. Now this is a raised to m. So we'll multiplication. So we'll do in plus. So 12 plus 8 divided by 2 raised to 12. So which a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n, which is equal to 2 raised to 12 plus 8 is 12, 10, 20 divided by 2 raised to 12 equal to 2 raised to 20 divided means minus 12. So a raised to m divided by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. So equal to 2 raised to 20 minus 12 is 10 minus 2 is 8. So 2 raised to 8 is the answer. Now third one, 5 raised to 7 upon 5 raised to 2 multiplied by 5 raised to 3. So equal to what we will write here? It is in division, so we can minus it. 7 minus 2 multiplied by 5 raised to 3. So which a raised to m upon a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. So equal to 7. 5 minus 2 is 5 multiplied by 5 raised to 3, which is equal to 5 plus 3, which is equal to which law? A raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. So 5 raised to 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5 raised to 8 is the answer. Now 5 raised to 4 into 10 raised to 10, x raised to 10, y raised to 5 upon 5 raised to 4 into x raised to 7, y raised to 4. Now all are first of all in division form. Okay, so if it is division form, we can minus, if same base we can minus power. So 5 minus 4, x also 10 minus 7, and y also 5 minus 4. Why I had written like this? Because it is in division form. Okay, so reason is a raised to m, a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n, which is equal to 5 raised to 0, x raised to 3, y raised to 1. So therefore a raised to y raised to 0 is a raised to 0 equal to 1. So 1 as it is x cube and y. So we can written x cube into y. See, 3 raised to 2 it is to 3. We have to simplify and express this of the following in exponential form. So what we have to do? First of all, we will do multiplication. This 3 into 2. So 3 into 2 is 6. Multiply 2 raised to 6 whole multiplied by 5 raised to 6. Here it is multiplication. So which law we are using? A raised to m whole raised to n equal to a into n. So equal to, first of all, if it is base are same, base are different and power are same, so we can write like this: 3 into 2 whole raised to 6 multiplied by 5 raised to 6, which a raised to m into b raised to n equal to ab raised to m. Okay, so 3 2s are 6 raised to 6 multiplied by 5 raised to 6. Same. Okay, base is 6 raised to 6 into 5 raised to 6. Both the power are same. So we can write 6 into 5 raised to 6. Same. So 6 5s are 30 raised to 6. Second one, x upon y raised to 12 into y raised to 24 into 2 raised to 3 into raised to 4. So first of all, we'll just separate it. X raised to 12 upon y raised to 12 multiplied by y raised to 24 multiplied by 4 3s are 12, 2 raised to 12. So first of all, I am writing this one: a upon b m equal to a raised to m and b raised to m. And another thing, a raised to m into n equal to a raised to m into n. Now equal to this, we can minus because it is in division. So x raised to 12 as it is, y raised to 24 minus 12 multiplied by 2 raised to 12. So equal to x raised to 12 into y raised to 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1 into 2 raised to 12. Now here which one it is? We had used that a raised to m upon b raised to m equal to a m minus n. Here what we have to use? Same power, different base. So we can write x into y into 2 raised to 12. So what we can write? 2xy whole raised to 12 is the answer. Okay. Now fourth one, 2 upon 3 whole raised to 5 into 3 upon 5 whole raised to 5. So equal to 2 raised to 5 upon 3 raised to 5 multiplied by 3 raised to 5 upon 5 raised to 5. Okay, what we can do? This 3 minus we can do. So 2 raised to 5 multiplied by 3 raised to 5 minus 5 because it is in division upon 5 raised to 5. So what will get? 2 raised to 5 multiplied by 3 raised to 0 upon 5 raised to 5. So 3 raised to 0 is 1, 2 raised to 5 into 1 upon 5 raised to 5, which is equal to 2 raised to 5 upon 5 raised to 5. Now here power are same, so 2 upon 5 over raised to 5 we can write it. Okay. Question number 4. Write 9 into 9 into 9 into 9 into 9 in exponential form with base 3. Now here we had given base 9, but we have to write in base 3. So let us see how to write. Now what we had given that 9 into 9 into 9 into 9. How much 9 is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we can write as 9 raised to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, power 5. Now if we'll write 9 as 3 raised to 2 raised to 5. Okay, 3 raised to 2 means 3 into 3 is 9. Okay, so 3 raised to 2 is we can write it instead of 9. So 3 raised to 2 into 5 is 3 raised to 10. So the answer is 3 raised to 10. Okay, thank you for watching this video.